So let's continue talking about the Hot Yacht Club mock paper 2017 to 2018 paper 2. Last Friday, we were stopping at question number 9, okay? And then today, we will start from question number 10. So number 10, the cost of coffee of brand A is $240 per kg. If 3 kg of coffee of brand A and 2 kg of coffee of brand B are mixed so that the cost of the mixture is $264 per kg. Find the cost of coffee of brand B. 好啦，呢啲咧又係啲即係溝埋啲嘢一齊咁嗰啲嘢咯。Okay, and I would like to use a table here. Okay. So we have brand A, we have brand B alone, and then we have the mixture. Okay, and we have 嗱呢度咧，你點樣睇咧？應該我哋有幾多樣嘢咧？有 A 獨立一個 A 牌子嘅咖啡啦，獨立 B 牌子嘅咖啡啦，然之後咧有 A 同埋 B 溝埋一齊嘅咖啡咁樣，有3樣嘢嘅。咁咧，我哋會當中有啲咩需要考慮咧？就係個價錢啦，跟住個重量啦，同埋 cost per kg， 即係 price per kg 呢啲嘢啦，係咪有呢3樣嘢係嘛 ？OK， 好啦，咁我哋而家知道啲乜嘢嘢咧？有啲咩嘢係知道咧？睇下啦喎，基本上你睇住啲數字咧就得㗎啦。OK， first one is $240 per kg. Okay, it is brand A. It's 240. And then if we have 3 kg of brand A and 2 kg of brand B are mixed. 好啦，咁而家呢度咧，我係咪需要2 kg 嘅 brand A， 跟住3 kg 嘅 brand A， 然之後2 kg 嘅 brand B， 跟住咧 so that the cost of the mixture is $264 per kg。咁呢個係講緊個 mixture 嘅，係咪 ？mixture 溝埋一齊嘅，咁即係264咁樣。好，呢個 OK 先。好啦，而家想揾嘅咧就係 the cost。Find the cost of coffee of brand B。究竟 brand B 自己獨立一種咖啡嘅時候，佢嘅 cost 係幾多咧？咁樣呢度 OK 嗬，得唔得？咁即係咧，我哋現有手頭上面嘅資料咧就係咁樣啦。好啦，跟住咧，我哋可以計到出嚟嘅資料有啲乜嘢嘢咧？咁睇住咯喎。嗱，呢一個咧240係 cost per kg 嚟㗎，係咪 ？cost 即係 price per kg。咁而家我哋唔知道 A 有幾多，即係用咗幾多錢。我哋知道佢每公斤係240蚊，咁而家用咗3公斤啦，係嘛？咁所以咧，佢 total 係使咗幾多錢咧？咁樣係嘛 ？total 使咗幾錢咧？咁就係3乘以240啦。OK， 我哋叫佢呢個做 A 先啦，呢個做 B 啦，呢個做 mixture 啦，呢個做個 weight 啦。OK， 好啦，而家呢度咧，我哋係咪可以咁樣做啊？即係A over 3 should be equal to 240. Sorry, it's 3. OK， 你跟翻個單位咧去到列式咁就啱噶啦，係嘛？即係 so we can find that A should be equal to 240 times 3. So that is equal to 720. Okay, so A is $720. And then 好啦，跟住咧我哋可以計到啲咩嘢咧？嗱，而家呢度咧我計到 A 係等於720啦，我 replace 佢咯喎。OK， 跟住咧而家要溝埋一齊嘅時候，係咪即係將 brand A 嘅咖啡同埋 brand B 嘅咖啡3 kg 嘅 brand A 同埋2 kg 嘅 brand B 咧，去到 mix 埋一齊。咁佢嘅 total weight 係幾多咧 ？total weight 係咪應該係等於3加2嘅啫？就等於5啦。OK，the total weight is equal to 5. So we have found that W is equal to 5. And then replace this. OK， 得唔得？好啦，跟住啦，如果呢一個 mixture 裏邊，我哋有5公斤，但係我哋賣到咧係264蚊1公斤嘅。OK， 而家係有5公斤，咁即係其實我哋係賣咗幾多錢咧？個 mixture 嘅價錢係幾多咧？係咪我哋又係用翻呢一個咁嘅關係啊 ？M divided by 5 should be equal to 264. Can you get this? OK， 喺同一個 column 裏邊，我哋錢嗰個數字除以 kg 個數字嘅話咧，就係錢 over kg 嗰個數字嚟㗎啦，係嘛？Okay, so M should be equal to 264 times 5. Okay, and that should be equal to 1320. Okay, and that's how we can calculate the value of M. So M is equal to 1320. So just replace the M here. It's okay. 好啦，咁而家咧，淨係 brand A 嘅用咗720蚊，淨係唔係 sorry 夾埋咗之後咧，係用咗1320蚊。咁係咪即係其實咧 B 咧係咪等於個 mixture 嘅錢減翻淨係 A 嘅錢啊 ？OK， 咁即係話咧，佢就係等於1320減翻720，應該咧就等於600蚊。Okay, so B should be equal to 600. We just replace this one. Get it? 好啦，最後啦，我要揾個問號係咪？個問號係點樣㗎？就係錢 per kg 嚟㗎嘛。錢 per kg 係點樣計出嚟㗎？咪就係用佢呢一樣嘢嘅錢除翻呢一樣嘢嘅 kg 咯。OK， 咁即係話咧個問號咧應該就會等於600/2。OK， 咁即係等於300啦。Okay, so this one should be equal to 300, which means that the cost of brand B should be equal to $300 per kg. Okay, so the answer is option C. 得唔得？嗱，記住 mixture 咧，即係將佢兩樣嘢加埋。不過咧，小心啲喎，實體嘅嘢先係加埋啫。呢啲咧個 rate 個率啊，即係每公斤幾多錢，每公斤幾多錢嘅話咧，就唔係就咁加埋。你唔好就咁將264減240等於24。好彩佢冇俾一個24你做答案嘅啫，係嘛 ？OK， 咁你就知道肯定唔係咁計啦。咁但係咧實體嘅嘢 ，OK， 即係錢 ，OK 錢啦，係嘛？佢用咗720蚊，用咗600蚊，加埋就係用咗1320蚊。OK， 跟住咧，重量 brand A 嘅咖啡嘅重量用咗3 kg，brand B 嘅咖啡嘅重量用咗2 kg，咁佢個 mixture 佢混合物咧 total 就係用咗5個 kg 啦。OK， 得唔得 ？total 係夾埋有5個公斤嘅。咁呢一個咧就係1320除以5咧，就等於264。咁我哋就計翻個1320出嚟啦，然之後就減翻個720咧，就等於600咁樣樣。呢一個 rate 咧，即係呢個率呢一部分咧，一定就係要用翻錢除 kg 咁樣計嘅。OK， 所以我哋先要揾到個 B 呢一個格係等於幾多先得嘅。OK， so that is question number 10. Next one, number 11. 哇，呢條咧好多堂都唔識計嘅，其實我睇睇咯。Number 11. The scale of a map is 1 to k. 1 to k. If the area of a park on the map and the actual area of the park are 10 cm square and 6.25 times 10 to the power 5 meter square respectively。好嗱，呢題咧其實咧係比較直接啲嘅。簡單嚟講咧，我哋就係用呢樣嘢啦。A1 over A2 is equal to L1 over L2 square 呢一樣嘢。OK， 好啦，咁跟住咧個 scale of the map 寫喺呢度先啦。Scale of the map 咁一定咧就係 L1 比 L2 咁樣嘅，係咪？係一個長度比嚟嘅。喺地圖上邊嘅圖例就係一個長度比。咁如果我哋想將佢 refer to 一啲面積嘅比嘅時候咧，你就要將呢個長度比呢個比例咧去到2次方咗佢啦。OK， 呢一個係個公式。咁喺呢一題裏邊，啊，呢題裏邊 L1 to L2 is equal to 1 to k， right？ And then A1 A1 咧一定係講緊細呢個嘅，即係 map 上面嗰個嘅，得唔得 ？A1 should be equal to 10 cm square， and then A2 is equal to 6.25 times 10 to the power 5 meter square。陣間我哋要將佢哋 A1 同埋 A2 咧擺翻落去呢一個份數呢兩個位嗰度嘅。咁但係呢度我哋要做一個步驟先，因為咧 A1 嘅 unit 而家就係 cm square，A2 嘅 unit 係 meter square 嚟嘅。我哋要將佢咧轉翻做相同嘅 unit， 先至可以擺喺同一個份數裏邊。OK， 好啦，點樣去將佢轉做同一個 unit 咧？咁咧永遠都係用大嗰個單位去到遷就細嗰個單位。而家一個係 meter square， 一個係 cm square， 我哋係喐 meter square， 將佢轉做 cm square。OK， 我記得我同你温書嘅時候咧，已經温咗呢一部分啦。當時大家都明嘅。我哋由 meter square 轉做 cm square 之前，我哋要揾咗 meter 轉做 cm， 佢哋之間嘅關係先。一個 meter 係等於幾多個 cm 咧？呢個要係 common sense 嚟嘅，得唔得？一定要識得1米等於幾多厘米啦？就係100啦，係嘛 ？OK， 好啦，咁跟住咧，我哋會將呢條式啊，1米等於100厘米呢條式咧，兩邊一齊 square 咗佢。OK，square 嘅話咧，就會分俾個數字同埋個單位。1嘅 square 係1啦。M 嘅 square 就係 meter square 啦，等於100嘅 square 就係10000 ，cm 嘅 square 就係 cm square。OK， 即係話咧一個 meter square 係等於10000個 cm square， 呢度 OK 啊？好啦，咁而家咧我哋真真正正要做嘅咧就係呢一個6.25乘以10嘅5次方呢個 meter square， 咁要將佢轉做10000個。即係將佢轉到幾多個 cm square？ 咁一個就係咁咯。咁6.25乘以10嘅5次方嘅 meter square， 係咪即係將啱啱上面呢條式咧乘翻6.25乘以10嘅5次方，再乘翻10000個 cm square。即係咁樣去轉嘅，得唔得？咁樣去轉啊！咁呢度咧，我哋稍為咧去到化簡一下先啊。呢一個咧6.25乘以10000，即係乘以10嘅5次方啦。再乘翻呢度咧10000咧，其實係咪即係10嘅4次方啊 ？OK，cm square。OK 嗬。total 咧係咪即係6.25乘以10嘅9次方 cm square？OK， 好 好啦，呢一紮數全部都係要嚟轉啱個單位嘅啫，得唔得？轉啱個單位 ，OK， 即係咧，我哋想將呢一個6.25嘅10乘10嘅5次方呢一個，即係 A2啦，簡單嚟講，呢一個係 A2嚟嘅，我寫清楚啲啊，係咪呢個？原來咧 A2咧，將佢本身就係6.25乘10嘅5次方 meter square， 咁我哋將佢咧轉單位之後咧，就變咗做6.25乘10嘅9次方嘅 cm square 啦。OK， 好啦，轉好單位之後咧，我哋就可以將 A1 同埋 A2 同埋 L1 同埋 L2咧放翻落去呢一條公式嗰度咯噃，得唔得？呢條永遠都係呢條嘅啫，即係講親 map 嗰啲咧都係咁樣嘅。OK， 咁咧即係 A1 over A2 is equal to L1 over L2 square。OK，A1 我哋就係10個 cm square，A2 就係6.25乘以10嘅9次方 cm square， 跟住 L1 over L2。L1 over L2 咧就係個1 over K 嚟㗎，係嘛 ？OK，and then square。Can you get this？ 好啦，咁跟住咧，我哋化簡咗少少先啦。左手邊咧兩個單位，當佢寫做一樣之後，我哋就可以唔要個單位。OK， 即係咁樣。呢步你可以唔使，即係到時唔使寫出嚟嘅。OK。好啦，然之後咧，上面有個10，下邊有個10嘅9次方，係咪可以約走1次方啊 ？OK， 好啦，跟住咧，其實右手邊都可以拆埋個 square 先嘅，即係1嘅 square 就1啦，跟住 k square 啦，係嘛？好啦，跟住我哋交叉相乘喎。So k square is equal to 6.25 times 10 to the power 8。Okay，and then we want to find the value of k. So k should be equal to the square root of this number. Okay, and when you use the calculator， 嗱呢度咧，我建議你咁樣做嘅，即係分開嚟做啊，6.25開方再乘以開方10嘅8次方咁樣。So k should be equal to 2.5 times 10 to the power 4. Okay, and then you just use the calculator to find that k should be equal to 25000， 25000，咁樣去計出嚟。OK， 呢度咧雖然我寫咗好多即係好長嘅嘢，咁你記住咧，有啲乜嘢係即係唔使寫嘅咧？其實或者咁講，呢啲全部都要嘅，但係咧真真正正牽涉到條題目計算嘅咧，就係下邊嗰啲嘅啫。綠色呢啲咧就係轉單位用嘅。如果佢冇需要轉單位嘅話咧，咁你就唔使做呢啲 steps 啦，係咪 ？OK， 得唔得？呢度咧黃色呢啲咧，黃色呢啲就係一啲你需要用到嘅知識，同埋喺題目 given 嘅 information 嚟嘅啫。OK， 冇乜特別嘅。真真正正要做嘅咧就係綠色呢度啦，同埋要計算嘅咧就係由呢度開始啦，藍色呢度開始啦。OK， 得唔得？咁所以答案咧就係應該係 option D。OK。好 ，number 12。好，呢題咧，嗱呢題咧一啲都唔難㗎。咁咧但係你要認清楚咧，有陣時要睇清楚佢問你啲乜嘢嘢啦。Number 12呢題咧應該大家係，我希望大家係將呢一個課題係變成自己嘅強項添嘅。OK， 一定要做呢題嘅。R varies directly as the square root of P and inversely as Q。咁所以咧，我哋係咪咁樣㗎？睇先啦。Let R be directly as the square root of P, so K times square root P, and then inversely as Q, so we have Q here. Okay, we let R be this. 好啦，跟住咧， 佢成日都問你呢一種問題，成日都問喎。佢 which of the following must be a constant？ 咁而家呢度咧，呢條式裏邊邊個係 constant 咧？係得個 k 係 constant 嘅。你要將個 k 變成 subject， 記住啊，永遠都係將個 k 變成 subject， 即係 qr is equal to k square root p，and then qr over square root p is equal to k，or k is equal to qr over square root p。好啦，你將 k 變成 subject 之後，睇下答案4個 option 裏邊有冇一個係呢一個嚟嘅？有嘅話就係答案啦。OK， 但係咧你發覺冇喎，冇嘅話咧，我哋就要將呢度咧呢條式 k 等於 qr over 開方 p 呢條式咧，一係就係用啲上下調轉啊，即係1 over 啊，一係咧就係啲2次方或者3次方，咁嗰啲咁嘅嘢咧就會變成其中一個答案咁樣樣。OK， 好啦，呢個咧你要發現咧喺4個 options 裏邊咧，其實都冇任何開方符號喺裏邊嘅喎。咁即係咩意思咧？咁即係話咧，其實我哋成條式咧係會 square 過一次，去到 cancel 走個開方嘅。So k square is equal to like this qr over square root p bracket square. Okay, so k square is equal to just share this square to the q square, r can get a square, and then square root p can get a square. It becomes p. Okay, can get this? 好啦，因為 k 係一個 constant 嚟嘅。所以即係一個數字啦，冇嘢可以塞入去啊嘛，係嘛？QR 咧就係可以 QR 同埋 P 都係可以塞數入去嘅，都係一啲變數嚟嘅。OK，K 就係唯一一個 constant， 冇嘢塞得入去嘅。咁 K 二次咪就係嗰個 constant 嘅二次咯，都係冇位俾你塞數入去嘅，所以佢都係一個 constant。好啦，但係呢度咧有冇一個 option？ 四個答案裏邊有冇一個係同呢個係一模一樣嘅咧？都未有喎，係嘛？好啦，咁但係咧，你見到咧，如果你眼利嘅話咧，就會見到有一個 option 咧，同呢個係好相似嘅，就係上下調轉咗嘅啫。OK，咁所以咧，我哋就會咁樣做啦。is equal to p over q square r square。OK，呢一個嘢係咪等於1 over k 二次？而1 over k 二次咧，就係只係牽涉到嗰個 constant 嘅啫，冇牽涉到任何 PQR 嘅。冇牽涉到任何變數嘅，佢就係一個 constant 啦。OK， 佢係一個數字，不過咧個數字咧係 square 咗，然之後再上下調轉咗咁樣樣嘅啫。OK， 佢係一個常數嚟嘅，係一個 constant 嚟嘅，就係咁嘅意思，得唔得 ？OK，so therefore which is a constant 咁樣樣。OK，so the answer is option D。好 ，number 13。In the figure, the first pattern 嗱呢隻咧係數點點嗰隻啦，我之前同你講過㗎啦，係嘛？First pattern consists of 2 dots. For any positive integer n, the n plus 1th pattern is formed by adding 3n plus 2 dots to the nth pattern. Find the number of dots in the 7th pattern. 好啦，我哋嚟做一個 table 咯喎。嗱，呢度慢慢數啱佢為止，得唔得 ？OK， 第一個 pattern 有2粒 ，OK， 好啦，第二個 pattern 有7粒，第三個 pattern 有幾多啊？睇下先啊，3、6、9、12、15粒，第四個 pattern 有20、24、26粒，呢度 get 到啊？好啦，咁呢度咧其實就係加咗5，係咪？呢度咧係加咗8，呢度咧加咗11 ，get 到啊？好啦，跟住我要睇嘅就係咁樣啦，咁樣啦，同埋咁樣樣，最終係想揾呢一個嘅 get 到啊？OK， 好啦，咁如果係咁樣按住呢個 pattern 嘅話咧，第一個 pattern 去到生第二代嘅時候，係俾多咗5粒點佢嘅。第二代生第三代嘅時候咧，俾多咗8粒點佢嘅。第三代生第四代，俾多咗11粒點佢嘅。如果按住呢個邏輯去推理嘅話咧，加5加8加11，呢度咧係咪應該係加14啊？呢度咪加17啊？呢度咪加20啊？get 唔 get 到？我哋揾到呢個 pattern 之後，逐個計出嚟。我哋唔需要揾任何 formula 啊！呢一種題目 ，OK 係冇需要揾任何 formula，一定係逐個去到褪出嚟嘅。呢一個一定係最快嘅方法嚟嘅，好唔 OK？係咪？亦都係最穩陣嘅。好啦，咁呢度咧26加14，咁 the fifth pattern 應該就係40，and then the sixth pattern should be 57，and then the seventh pattern should be 57 plus 20， it should be 77。So the answer is option C. Okay, so that is like this。得唔得？有冇同學唔得呢度？希望個個都做到咯呢個啊。OK， 每次都係咁做嘅啫。你最緊要就揾咗呢個呢一行，呢一行係最緊要嘅。OK， how do we know we add 14? Because the extra number, so this column I call the extra dots. Okay, extra number of dots is actually 5, 8. Can you see that? This is plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Okay, it's always following the same pattern for the extra dots added to the previous pattern. Okay, so in the first pattern, we have 2 dots, and then we need extra dots. Okay, the extra dots is 5. Okay, so we've got the second pattern, and then to form the third pattern, we need extra dots. It is given to be 8, right? 嗱，因為咧頭呢4個咧係俾咗你嘅，所以呢3個數字咧係題目俾嘅，係咪？但喺呢3個數字裏邊，其實我哋揾到個 pattern 喎，係嘛？佢哋都係咧好似按住加3加3咁樣嘅。OK， 其實咧呢度咧，如果你睇清楚嘅話，題目咧都有俾咗你嘅。By adding 3n plus 2 dots to the nth pattern。OK， 即係呢一個咧，如果佢係呢個係個 n 嚟㗎嚇。This is the nth. Okay, and then this is actually equal to 3 times 1 plus 2. Can you get this? And then this is actually equal to 3 times 2 plus 2. And then this is actually equal to 3 times 3 plus 2. And this is 3 times 4 plus 2. And this is 3 times 5 plus 2. And this is 3 times 6 plus 2. Can you get this? This is actually following the rule set by the question. Okay, the n plus 1, that is the next pattern. Next pattern is formed by adding 3n plus 2 dots to the previous pattern. So if it is the first pattern, then the second pattern is formed by adding 3 times 1 plus 2, because 3 times the first plus 2. And then the third pattern is formed by adding 3 times second plus 2. Okay, that is adding 8 dots to the second pattern. Okay, and then the fourth pattern is formed by adding 3 times third plus 2. So that is adding 11 dots to the third pattern. OK， 即係每一次要加嘅點數就係咁樣計出嚟嘅。我哋計咗要加幾多點之後，就真係加落去之前嗰一幅圖嘅點數嗰度， 就會出到下一幅圖嘅點數啦。Do you understand? Okay, good. Maybe one more. Number 14. So AED and BDC are straight lines such that AD is perpendicular to BC. It is given that AB is equal to 16 cm. So AB is 16 cm. And then AC is 20 cm. And EC is 13 cm. And the question asks you to find EB. Then we call this X cm. It's okay? 好啦，呢度咧，我哋有啲咩計可以做咧？睇下先啊。There are so many right-angled triangles, and then we can do this. Let me see. Okay, yes. 好，我哋要叻多一個，叻個 ED。Yes, let ED be HCM. Okay, ED be HCM. And then in triangle CDE. So CD square plus H square should be equal to 13 square, right? Then CD square is equal to 169 minus H square by Pythagoras theorem. Get this? And then we consider triangle ACD. So let me paste it here first. Then we consider triangle ACD. We know that AD square plus CD square is equal to 20 square. But we have already found that CD square is equal to 169 minus H square. Okay, so it is equal to this. So AD square is equal to 231 plus H square. Okay, can you get this? And then we will consider triangle A-boy-dog. And we know that boy-dog square plus AD square is equal to 16 square. Okay, but we have already found that A-dog square should be equal to 231 plus H square. Okay, so BD square is equal to 25 minus H square. Get this? Finally, because we need to find X, so we need to consider triangle boy-dog E. And we know that X square is equal to boy-dog square plus dog E square. Okay, but boy-dog square is equal to 25 minus H square. Dog E is equal to H, so it is just plus H square. So X square is equal to 25, and then X is equal to 5. Okay, so boy E is equal to 5 cm, like this. 得唔得？呢度咧嗱，其實咧就唔係太難嘅呢一個題目。即係我相信最快最穩陣咧，都係呢個方法㗎啦。OK， 得唔得？咁就你哋要做嘅咧，就係唔好怕去到 let X 同埋 let H， 咁呢度咧，你要留意到嘅咧，就係有4個直角三角形。我哋每一個都用畢氏定理，去將佢哋嘅邊長咧列咗出嚟先，然之後逐個去到褪去到揾其他嘅邊長咁樣。OK，咁呢個其實咧都問過幾次嘅喺啲公開考試裏邊，咁你都記一記佢咁樣。It's okay. All right. Do you have any other problems? If there is no other problems, I will continue to talk about this paper tomorrow. And that's the end of today's lesson. And you may leave now. Goodbye.
Bye bye.